Use the pH reagent from freshwater master test kit bought from Amazon, which can test 200 samples for pH, ammonia, nitrate and nitrite. Testing pH is quite easy. You have to wash the test tube and sample collection syringe with the water to be tested itself. Take the pH reagent, shake well and pour 3 drops into 2.5 ml of test sample. Shake well and read the pH by comparing with the color chart after 5 seconds. Here are few sample tests which we conducted on different samples here. Goldfish aquarium was tested first. That showed a pH of about 7.5. Goldfish thrive in slightly alkaline water with an ideal range typically between 7 and 8.4. A pH of 7.5 is perfectly within their comfortable range and provides a stable, healthy environment. Next, we tested the pH of drinking water at home, which has been boiled and cooled. The pH was seen as 7.0. pH of 7 is considered perfect for drinking water as it is neutral. Boiling water typically brings it to a neutral state, fitting well within the ideal 6.5 to 8.5 pH range recommended for safety and consumption. While hot water can temporarily lower pH to around 6.5 to 6.8, this is normal and harmless. Water from overhead tank stored from tap water was found to have a pH of 6.5. A pH of 6.5 in stored overhead tank water is likely caused by factors other than just residual chlorine, although chlorine does play a minor temporary role. Important cause mentioned is absorption of carbon dioxide from air getting converted to carbonic acid, which can lower the pH. Low pH can potentially increase the corrosion of metallic pipes and accessories. A simple option seemed to be storing the water for shorter periods to reduce carbon dioxide absorption. pH of water from a small aquarium for guppies was also found to be 6.5. A pH of 6.5 is generally okay and considered safe for guppies as they are hardy fish that can adapt to a range of 6.5 to 8, with some sources citing even up to 8.5. While 6.5 is on the lower end, slightly acidic, and they prefer neutral to slightly alkaline water, that is 7 to 8.0 pH, they will likely thrive. Our immediate action was to change 50% of the water to improve pH, which has to be retested after 24 hours. Striking result of 5.5 pH was noted in a tarpaulin tank. Reason was also quite obvious. It contained larger fish and tank cleaning had been delayed a bit. That is what is called as old tank syndrome. There was algae growing along the sides of the tank as well. Water change was initiated along with thorough cleaning of sides of the tank. It is also possible to bring up the pH using small amounts of baking soda. But large and quick changes of pH are not good for fish. Another DIY option considered was using powdered eggshell inside a filter to gradually buffer the pH on a long-term basis. That option was considered because I was already using powdered eggshell as a manure for plants like rose, then cucumber, as well as tomatoes and chilies. So the option is ready here.